Look into the lens
Yep.
and smile uncontrollably.
What?
Yes.
Seeing the joy that the organization has when a win announcement comes up on Slack, or seeing our recognition channel and seeing that every single member of our organization is doing something special every single day.
Do you have any pets?
No. Yes. I have like red composting worms. They're like in a box. Okay, yeah. I would say one of the major benefits of this work is that I actually get to see tangibly the benefits that customers have from the changes that we make to the product. We get to follow up and understand and get feedback after the fact. People saying that, it's made them able to actually have a weekend now, something like that. That's so tangible and makes me think, wow, that's amazing. These people actually get to see some really awesome benefit from the things that we do.
No one team is Vena. Vena is not solely the product. Vena is not solely sales. Vena is not solely the benefits and perks that come with working here. It's everyone doing they can together to make the whole thing better.
We do have a mutual trust. Everyone's trying to give a helping hand where they can, and I really noticed this during the pandemic. Managers leaning in on how they can help support their teams. Anytime anyone wanted to have a conversation, they were very transparent and open and honest as well. We're all going through something collectively together. We've definitely been there for each other.
Hard to keep the out-of-control smile for a long time. I believe that in order to succeed in my role, I need to be able to collaborate and interact and work with many teams in the company. And I think Vena is doing a great job avoiding building those walls in between the teams that need to communicate and collaborate each other.
What I'm most proud about is how Vena executes in the small moments, in the everyday collaboration, in the ability to do the small things really, really well.
A lot of folks have been able to bring that really awesome, positive vibe into their work, and that's definitely what's kept me at this job for so long.
In my role, I get a chance to talk with people in all parts of the company and learn about what they do and hopefully champion a little bit what they do. And that's a really unique experience to have.
Every Venonite across the board that I talk to is, they're creating such an impact and they're having fun doing it. That's the overall vibe. We celebrate our successes. We definitely try to collaborate day to day as much as we can, and we have a lot of fun.